This is your Captain STV speaking. Welcome back to Print City, everybody. I hope you are all having a phenomenal afternoon over here. Again, you guys looking at that thigh gap indicator, fucking nasty today. You guys saw the Microsoft one. Shout out to, I believe it was Mike that hit that play. Absolute banger there, man. So team, let's have a nice little afternoon over here because we are going to be getting Jerome Powell speaking tomorrow. And he, again, like I said in the beginning of the previous stream today, he does have the ability to kind of establish himself tomorrow as the 21st century Paul Volcker. Is he going to? I don't think so. It's possible that he does, though. So it's definitely something to keep a lookout for. So, guys, tomorrow is going to be absolutely nuts. I hope you guys are ready. And again, for all of you guys filtering in here right now, make sure that you guys are slapping the literal living shit out of the like button and showing the stream some love. Oh, I love the thigh gap, dude. I nailed NVIDIA today. This one, I actually nailed NVIDIA up here. I didn't take this down move, which I'm kind of pissed about. I could have played this one, but by the time that I had hit a couple of these, hit the Tesla, I mean, I was just done. I was like, all right, well, I don't really need to trade anymore today. So those are nasty. Hit the like button, Cootie. There you go. 0 rate increase, bullish or bearish. The initial move is probably going to be bullish, but over the next couple of months, it would be bearish. But again, even if they did 0 at this meeting, I wouldn't consider that a Fed pivot. It's just a pause because they would probably go back in May and then increase more. That's how I would view it. But again, I believe there's no meeting in April, so they might as well just do a 25, get it out of the way, and then continue in May. And that could be where the pause actually happens. So holy shit, we are 7 likes away from 50 already. You guys are slapping it, dude. Congratulations to all you guys that are printing today. And for all of you guys that are sitting on the sidelines with your thumbs in your asses, here you guys go right here. Everybody gets the platform. $5 for your first month. Not $5 off. $5 for your first month. So if you guys are sitting on the sidelines over there after you've seen thousands of people literally printing every single day, it's time that you start considering hopping in, man. I mean, why not you? That's kind of how I view it here. Why can't you do this? Why can't you? There's no excuse at this point for you guys to not be making money in this market. There isn't one. So again, scan that QR code. The link is at the top of the live chat. And for all of you guys that want that thigh gap indicator, Gabe's morning streams, my Wednesday streams, the live masterclasses, and all the other beautiful things that we offer you in those upper tiers, make sure you guys reach out to Diana before the end of the day, and she will help you guys upgrade. But let's get after it, team. Let's do it, bro. So what I want to show you guys here, a little bit of another thigh gap example. When Gabe and I were talking about this, when we were off the stream, you can see here, I'll show you guys this for a second, that you see this traffic light up, you see it lose this bearish thigh gap, goes into the bullish one. You see this traffic light, you get a nice clean move here from like what? 396.50 all the way up here to 397.40. So a nice dollar move. But what happens right after? I mean, you could have easily sold at this level, which is what I was talking to Gabe about. I was like, I would just take it at the level there. And then you get this dark to light move, which is at a bare minimum a scale out. You see the RSI breaking its moving average here. I mean, what are we doing here, team? So again, these are fucking filthy at nailing these exits and also the entries here. Hold on. I got to make sure this is the right one. Hold on. Which one's this? Because I have multiple versions of this up. All right, that's the one I wanted. What is this one showing you? Oh my God. I have something so nasty for you guys too coming up on Wednesday. Oh, I hope you guys are ready for tomorrow night's stream. It's blocking the thigh gap view. All right, I'll throw it back up for a second. Hold on. You're right. It was blocking it. Hold on. I'll show you guys again. So, oh, that's the wrong one. This is the right one. So you guys look at this one right here. You can see that it loses that bullish momentum here. It's not a MACD, guys. That's not what this is. It's not a TTM squeeze. No. We build these indicators specifically for you guys to make sure that you have the best tools possible in the market. And that's why all of our members are having such different results than you see in these other communities of follow trade bullshit. So right here, this would have been your exit, or you could have just taken it at the level as it started to wick above. Super, super simple. There's actually something else that you guys can look at too. That would have actually told you to get out of the rest of the position, but we're going to cover that tomorrow night with you guys. But let me throw the QR code back up on the screen for you guys so that you guys make sure that you don't miss out on this limited time offer of 90% off your first month. So there you guys go. How would you explain the thigh gap indicator to somebody? Just show them like lots of money. Let's see. All right, guys, keep smacking that like on the way in. Let's have some fun today. Momentum predictor. Yeah, pretty much. I mean, that's a really good way to put it. Let's see here. So just retesting that 13 on the 3-minute here. I mean, there's a couple of other nasty things that you can do here. This 1-minute one was dirty right around 3. It's this. It's pretty much the same spot. Let's see. No. The thigh gap indicator is just for 3-year and OG lifetime. So now we're seeing a little bit of a sell-off. Oh, getting a little aggressive here. Getting a little bit aggressive here. Hi, SPY. I mean, you might see the last hour of the day could be a little bit wild just because we're going into Powell tomorrow. Some last-minute overnight positioning. I described it as yet another momentum indicator, but I figured there was a more descriptive answer. As a beta or forever? Probably forever. I mean, maybe one day we'll release it to everybody, but again, I want you guys also to think about and put yourselves in the shoes of the people that have joined for either lifetime or 3-year. They have made a long-term commitment to us, and then if we just started willy-nilly throwing around what was meant for them to everybody, then they would get upset too. You guys are all about to get Speed Racer. You guys all have a nasty monthly deal, and if you don't like that, I don't know, man. I mean, you guys have the lowest price per month. You're getting Speed Racer this week. Let's see. But if you do want to upgrade, just reach out to Diana. I mean, you guys are going to see the value in it. I think a lot of people have. But if you don't and you want to stay at the lower tier, perfectly fine too. I think SPY will go down for that gap. I don't really give a shit about gaps, man. And it's what do you call it? It's a Powell day, so it doesn't really matter anyway. It's the news is going to drive the movement. So after Powell comes out and starts speaking and the report comes out, the market's going to fly all over the place. I would expect this one not to be a dud. I'd be very surprised if the meeting tomorrow is a dud. Because he has to talk about the banking situation that's happened over the last, 2-3 weeks. He has to talk about it and reference it. He's going to get asked questions about it. So, I mean, we're gonna see something move. Bounce on NVIDIA. This one was dirty. This one was dirty coming up. I mean, I could show you. What was that? Oh, never mind. I could show you guys the NVIDIA one over here where, so here's the NVIDIA with the thigh gap here, where you're looking at this, you start to see it. It breaks the moving average right here. So you can get it in actually on this candle right here, right around 255.62. You literally just were able to catch. I mean, I would have scaled out here on this little move down. So just, I mean, I'm not going to be like, oh, I would have ridden the whole move. No, I wouldn't have. So right here, this candle, you got a $2.28 move. You throw a stop at break even essentially. Or you could just protect the 13 as it continues to come up. Now, there's another thing that you can also do that actually, let me take a look at where it would have fucking Jesus. Yeah. So guys, everybody that is in lifetime and 3-year, make sure that you are there to, oh shit. Hold on. What the, damn it. Hold on. Make sure that you guys are there tomorrow night, for the midday master stream because fucking stop. Because I have some juice for you guys. I have 2 different windows open. It keeps happening. Hold on. Go slow. I'm going to go very slow. No, thank you. Right there. Boom. Easy. Yeah, so there's 2 scale out points. If you hit a big trade, there's 2 of them. Andres, probably not. Probably not, though. He's going to try and make folks feel safe with banks. He might, but we'll see. It's happening. What's happening? Dude, I have 2 different windows open, and when I would like scroll back over, yeah, what's happening? Tesla 3-minute? Let's see. That's Chop City here. I don't really like this. No, so what he said. There's nothing wrong with my computer. I just had 2 windows open, and one of them was higher than the other. And I wanted the lower one. And when I would scroll it over, it would go to the lower one and then just immediately go back up to the upper one. And that's not where I want the chart. I want it on the different window. And it took me like 5 fucking tries. NVIDIA. I mean, you already got the second Whoa, 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 whoa. Nancy with a little action here. Hello. Hello. Yeah, it's getting hot there. I mean, you're right at this level here, too. You're coming up to that 261, 60. I mean, you had the potential to ride a $6 move on NVIDIA today. Up 2.41% on the day. Done for the day. Going to spend the rest of the day studying the master classes. Atta boy, Moon Boy. Yeah, I think you guys have like 8 masterclass streams that you guys can go through, plus all the morning streams that Gabe does, plus the first midweek masterclass that I did with you guys last week. Yeah, I mean, again, if you guys want it, just reach out to Diane and upgrade. If not, perfectly fine. If a level aligns with the EMA/traffic light, does that give you more incentive to make an entry or exit? Yes. Yes. So like right here, if I saw this, I mean, I'd probably be scaling out more anyway. But again, if I'm looking at it the way I was looking at the chart before, I would have either done 2 scale outs or I would have been already fully out of the position after the $6 move, $5 move. Just looking at it here and how I would have traded it. I'm not going to go through it right now, but we're going to go over it. This is actually a perfect example. And Tesla yesterday was a nasty example. So we went through a little bit of it last night for you guys, but tomorrow evening is going to be... Nancy's ripping here, bro. There must be news on this or something. There must be some Nancy news coming through that's pumping it right now. That's dirty, bro. VWAP's just volume-weighted average price. So according to the volume, what would the price be? Is essentially how you would look at it. Yeah, hot on the 3-minute here. That thing's made a giant move, bro. Banks all starting to show weakness. Do we have XLF? No, but we got TLT here. Where's XLF? Yeah, banks. Yeah, banking sector coming down a little. Sunil, yeah, the traffic lights are awesome, dude. Yeah, oh, they work really, really well on futures. Also, Sunil, I saw you asking, what in the almighty motherfuck was that? What's going on here? SPY. Oh boy. What did we say, guys? What did we say about the SPY on that move to the upside? Look what happens. I want you guys to realize this here and how fucking filthy this is. Let me take this off the screen real quick so that you guys can see the power of what we've given you. SPY right here. This is the thigh gap. You get to ride this move all the way up here, and you are out on this candle right here before the knife. You're welcome. All right, let's move this back over here. Ah, shit. Hold on. Boom. There we go. See how simple that is, guys? Oh, and Sunil, let me grab this video for you. If you want to know the actual full story of what happened, let me grab it for you right here. Share. Boom. Here is the link to the video that explains everything, Sunil. I know you had the question about it. There you go. People aren't who you think you are. So watch that. It tells you exactly what happened. Let's see. So I finally got a gym membership too yesterday because I was just pissed off at the fucking like gym that we have in our apartment, and I was like, I need more equipment here, bro. Thank you. You're welcome, buddy. Make sure you watch that video. I mean, you got to protect yourself against these. I know some other shit too that it's gonna be fun to fuck around with. Watch Tesla's strongest stock in the market today. I know like market weakness means it's likely to last the fall. No, you're right. That's why, I mean, I was looking at Tesla this morning and I was so quick with it. I mean, if Tesla makes the move down here, it's going to be fucking disgusting, bro. There it is. There's a little bit of it. Nothing too crazy, but it's coming down through that previous level at 195. There you go. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in. You guys are doing pretty good today, man. I appreciate you. If Tessie breaks this 48 here, that's going to be spaghetti-o. And you guys with the thigh gap, you're going to be able to be guided the entire way through. So even if this thing bounces here, you're still going to be able to escape with some money. There you go. Keeping it simple, team. I actually have Tessie right here. Oh, dude, that's gnarly. That's gnarly. It depends at Danielle, we're going to talk a little bit more about it tomorrow night. If it's in profit already, I'll probably just take it. If it's coming down, I will give it a second to confirm. Tesla put paid fast, scaled out, up 23% in 3 minutes. There you go. Manuel, yes, absolutely. Once you hop in, we have a lot of people from Canada trade from Canada. So yeah. And again, guys, this works for everybody in almost every location around the world. If you're trading futures, Forex, stocks, crypto, anything, everything, dude. So again, once you hop in there, just make sure that you have the right brokerage if you do want to trade options, and then you will be all good to go. But everybody gets access to the $5 deal for their first month. Yeah, Tessie's really got to break that 48 here on the 3 minute in order to really continue. SPY down to the 200 would be interesting. I gotta shave my face too. I need a haircut. I gotta schedule that. Got all sorts of shit to do, bro. All right. Let's see what we got here. Let's see. 200 on the 5. I'm looking at it on the 3. The 3 minute 200 is at like what? 396.07. Yeah. So you're not far away. That could do this very quickly. Wife does hair professionally. Best financial decision. Never paying for a haircut. There you go, Born Trader. Tessie broke 195. It's not holding though. It needs that 48. It needs that break of the 48 there. Let's see. If SPY breaks this, Tessie will do it. Where's Microsoft? Because Microsoft was getting mollywopped. Yeah. Have I drank the entire jug today? No. This was from yesterday too. This was probably like a quarter full from yesterday. Dude, they came out with like a new liquid IV flavor called like wild cherry or something. And I was like, I had to sit there in the CVS and make a decision. Like, am I going to do it? Yeah, no, Tessie's probably not doing it here. So they didn't have the normal lemon lime, but I got passion fruit, which is a nice number 2, man. Acai for the win. That might be what this is. No, this one's passion fruit. The acai one's good. Goldman Sachs really pushing for a pause on interest rate hikes. See, this is my little tinfoil hat theory here. If they're pushing that hard, do they have a duration mismatch too? Like, think about it. If they're really trying to like just send a message to the Fed like don't fucking raise, do they have a duration mismatch too? Where they're fucked if people start pulling out money and they have to sell those bonds? Like, it's a good question to ask. Like, if Goldman is, hold on, where is this? Hold on, where's Twitter? I need Twitter up here. Where is this happening? Is this just coming through the news feed again? Oh, I'm trying to find the feed. No, it's not recent, but I mean, I've seen that. I mean, you have to ask yourself, does Goldman have a problem with these bonds? As we got the club sign now. If you buy a bottle this weekend, I'll have them right 1348. Fuck yeah, Nico. Oh, have I shown you guys the traffic light video yet? I haven't shown you guys that, right? I have a sign from like 2 weeks ago with the traffic lights on it. People were like, "Oh, here it is." People were like, "What does traffic lights mean?" I'm like, "That's why we're here." And they're like, "Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, traffic lights. Let's go." Nico, you'll like this one. I'll send this to you on Instagram, and I'll send the other people. Send it to everybody else later. Where's Nico? There you go. Where is it? Where's my video? Here it is. Hold on. I got to watch it first to make sure there's nothing wild in there. Goldman's probably going to blow soon. I don't know. It's a good question. Wells Fargo is the weakest. Oh, all right, Nico. I'll send you this one. You'll like that one, buddy. That was a fun night. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in. Spy moving back down. Where's Tessie? Nah, I didn't do it. Tessie's strong as shit today, dude. That's what you got to realize too. Like, some of these stocks are just going to show like abnormal strength or weakness some days, and it doesn't make sense to short it. Maybe later you might get it on Tesla, but like, I mean, what was it, Ralph? I mean, you hit it pretty good there. It's just sometimes it doesn't make sense to try and like fade the trend. Like today, it may not make sense to do that on Tesla up 6%. I mean, I nailed it earlier today on this. But other than that, no, I haven't really been looking at Tessie. Yeah. For those of you guys that don't know, I do fun shit. Let's see. We both hit at the same time this morning. That was fun. Oh, the Tesla one? Yeah, that was a good one. That was a good one. It wasn't a big gainer, but like it was a fun one. I felt like premiums were moving slow today. Like that was kind of what I was looking at too. Like the first Nvidia move that I had was really sweet. The next couple though, it just felt like things were moving a bit slow. Maybe it's because I was fucking around with 0 days a little bit with smaller size, so I'm used to things moving a bit quicker. But like over the last week or so, I was just fucking around with them with smaller size just to see. But I don't know. It was very strange. Premiums were a little funky. On the SPY, they definitely were on the tomorrows, but today's they weren't. Let's see. Delta seemed to be like, yeah, like it's something. It might just be because we have Powell tomorrow. Kramer's comments? No, I don't give a shit about those. The only thing that you can really take away from Kramer is that everybody, I feel like, agrees that Kramer was a very, very successful money manager for many years. Now, if he can't figure out where the market's going to go, why do you think some asshole kid on Twitter is going to be able to tell you? I don't try to tell you where things are going ever. That's not what we're here. It's child's play, bro. It's literally child's play trying to guess where the market's going to go. Oh my God, look, a cup and handle. Shut the fuck up, idiot. No, that's not how the market works. You play the momentum. The only thing you really need is the traffic lights and the thigh gap. All this other shit, get it out of your head. Let's see. Dude, and Tessie just ripped. See? Like Tesla's just strong as shit today. And again, if you were using the thigh gap, you got that nice little drop. It goes dark to light, you're out. It's super simple, guys. No need to overcomplicate any of this. All red on SPY. It's getting there. The 5's got a yellow. 5's got yellow right here. Coinbase on a run. Oh, look, 3-minute traffic light up right here. You get it at 78. You run it up to 84. Fucking Jesus. I'm telling you guys, all you need is the traffic lights. When are you going to start listening to the people who actually know what they're talking about? Let's see. Dude, I went back to eating like fucking eggs and ground chicken, and I just have like, I'm just hungry. I was being a fat fuck there for a little bit. Just eating Chipotle and ordering burritos. Not anymore, bro. Back in the saddle. Let's see. Dude, AMD's been strong too. Where's AMD today? It almost cracked 100 today, dude. That's ridiculous. So, dude, again, remember, my average on AMD is like 12. I've been killing the market since I was a teenager, bro. My long term is fucking ridiculous. Like, I'm not gonna tell you how much it is, but it's a lot. Like an AMD. The problem is AMD's now getting like way overweight in it, and I'm like, I don't really like that. Let's see here. All right, guys, 25 likes away from 100. We have 191 of you in here and only 75 likes. What are you doing? You guys don't want this information spread out to more people? I see how it is. I see how it is. Thanks. It's stuck in your head now. Well, too bad. I hope Powell's going to be exciting tomorrow too, bro. We are going to have fun with that. Maybe I'll trade it this time. I don't think I traded it last time. I think I just kind of let it go. Trade it in the morning and just let Powell go. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, SPY show's all red on mine too. You like traders use profanity words? Good. Because I use a fuckload of them. They're usually honest. I'm very honest. Anybody comes in here with a bullshit stock, I'm going to tell them that they're a fucking moron. That's how that works. Oh my God, it's going to go to 100. Shut the fuck up. No, it's not. You're going to lose money. Simple. And then I'll just, oh, guys, I can't wait to show you what I have for you guys on the daily and the 4-hour with the thigh gap. It's going to be nasty. The plan is to stay up all day after working a 14-hour shift from last night to this morning, then have a full day to trade Powell. That sounds ridiculous. Tomorrow, rip in the morning and down before the speech. It's a great prediction. You know what? It's not useful to anybody. Like, sorry, bud. I understand. It's cool to have a bias, but at the same time, it's like, I could have a prediction of what's going to happen tomorrow, but I'm not going to trade it. Like, I don't give a shit about what I think. I care about what the chart tells me at any given point during the day. I could think that the market's going to go to fucking 400 today, but unless I get traffic lights telling me where to go and the thigh gap telling me to stay in, I'm not just going to willy-nilly it to 400. Like, you guys got to realize that, like, the predictions and people trying to tell you where things are going to go, it's child's play. You guys will learn eventually, though. You'll learn. All right, let's see. Hopefully you still have money left over by the time that you do learn so that you actually come and make some money with 1348. The platform's fucking sexy, dude. Yeah, I mean, dude, this Nancy trade's probably done, but who knows? Time of speech tomorrow, 2:30, but the report comes out at 2, just like every single other Fed meeting ever. See, that's also kind of how I know that no, this is nothing against you, one of them. But like I feel like this is kind of how I also know that like people don't get it. Every single time that it's a Fed FOMC day, I always get asked the question, what time's Powell, what time's Powell, what time's Powell? How do we not know by now that Powell, the report comes out at 2 and then like Powell speaks at 2:30? How do we not know that? Decent morning trades, but wowza, what a dud trading day. I mean, there's been some fun on the chip makers, Microsoft, things like that. Maybe people just don't know. Guys, all 200 something of you guys in here right now, it happens at the same time every time. Report comes out at 2, Powell speaks at 2:30 Eastern. I don't want you guys thinking that you guys on the West Coast get special treatment. No. All Eastern. We're gatekeeping the times over here. Oh, maybe that's what I should do. I should gatekeep the time that Powell speaks. Just be like, not telling you. Same. Spy turning back up. You're still trying to learn to type? Well, hopefully you figure it out, bud. Selling your GME today. It's been a fun run, but not so fun for a year. Yep. I mean, we tried to warn everybody, but it's all right, AR guy. Are you going to live stream the Toolbox Talk? Yeah, 100%. We're going to be streaming Powell. 100%. We always stream Powell. Powell's always fun to stream, dude. Always fun to stream. Because you guys just get to sit here and just let me, just watch me laugh at all the bullshit that comes out of his mouth. It's not like I don't like the guy. I like Powell. But he's in a really tough situation, and he's been behind the curve for a while. So, like, the things that he says, you just know that it's just kind of nonsense. You're like, yeah, all right, bro. All right. SPY moving up a little. Let's see what we got here. This is just Chop City, dude. Let's see. Two equal shot, though. Ooh, 12 likes away from 100. Thank you, guys. I appreciate you coming in. Let's see. SPY looks a bit interesting here. Where did this come in? Bro, these moves are so fucking tiny today. It's just chopping around. I probably wouldn't trade any of this right now. Maybe Power Hour gets a big move, but like, it's just like what's the high today? 398, low 395. I mean, top to bottom is less than $3. So, I mean, you were really only looking for a dollar move, but the moves that it's given us is like 20 cents, 30 cents. It's like, it's not bad. It's just not ideal. Yeah, NVIDIA was good today. Tessie was good today if you hit that one. We are screwed. This market is range bound for a long time. You don't fight the Fed on the way up. You also don't fight the Fed on the way down. I could agree with that, being range bound. I could agree with that. That we're going to chop around in this like 410, like 390. SV, I wouldn't trade this. 10 minutes later, I just made 400%. Well, I mean, I wouldn't trade this now. I mean, if I saw something good, I would. But I'm kind of done for the day now, too. So it's like, just kind of burn it. You know? Andy, you also freaked me the fuck out earlier, you asshole. I was like, shit. Yeah, Jimmy, I could agree with that. I just wouldn't be like all caps and freaking out about it because there's gonna be shitloads of money to be made. Netflix served you well today? Nice. Nice. Air horn. Dude, these ranges are tighter than the. Never mind. Okay, back to work. Hence is why I said some good trades in the morning, but we've been literally dead since 11 a.m. Yeah, I'm seeing that too, dude. I got to get out of my Home Depot calls today though, which was nice. If I held the whole position, it would have been a banger. But other than that, like, I didn't need to hold the whole thing because it was flying around. Like those contracts were moving. And I was like, don't really want to hold this down 15% or 14, whatever it was. But then I nailed it back up, made back some of it. Oh no, I took a loss. Oh no. Let's see. You jumped into Oxy? I don't know if I'd be trading the oil. I haven't really been paying attention to oil recently. I mean, it's less relevant to our current situation now. Back like 8 months ago, it was very relevant. Now it's like, meh. I mean, it still is. It's just not like, it's not headline driven really anymore. Like, it's not like everybody and their mother's paying attention to oil. What was the ticker that I gave you guys? Oh, I know what it was. It was this one. How's this one doing? MTDR. 47. Where did we get this one? I'm trying to think of the time of it. Well, oh, I know the time. No, it was here. It was here at 44. Oh, so it's pretty flat. I mean, this thing ripped after we were talking about it, but now it's banks. Now everybody's focused on the banks. Because you don't buy gas. Dude, I don't have a car right now. I ditched it. I had to pay $6,200 to get out of my fucking lease. Fuck you, Mercedes, you bunch of assholes. Fuck you. Oh, if you wait a couple months, the buyout will go down. Oh, whoops, sorry, the buyout went up by a bunch. Fuck you, assholes. That was a nice car, too. Today was a good day. Wish I could have held some of those 105 calls on Google. Well, a 12.5% on the port for the day. Attaboy. Yeah, your parking would have been 6,200. Yeah, probably would have, dude. Like, it would have been, I mean, I would have had to pay $500 a month to park it. On live, we talked about weeklies. Would you play a time frame of 3 to 5 days? Yeah, that's no. Kevin. You're thinking about holding overnight. If I'm holding overnight, my thesis is coming from the 4-hour or the daily, and I'm getting more time. Kevin, I would say go watch all the curriculum videos. And the most recent video that I posted on my channel, it teaches you about swing trading. Swing trading, day trading, very different and comes with very different risks. You kind of have to pick one. You have to say, okay, I'm either going to be swing trading and figure out where my entries are on the like in the day, which we talked about a lot on the midweek masterclass. So Kevin, if you haven't watched that one, watch the most recent video on my channel and the midweek masterclass from last week, because that's going to break down everything for you. And I think because basically the way that we talked about it is you can almost break it down into 2 ways. You can treat the swing trade initially as a day trade, scale out of it, and then let it go and give yourself a little bit of a buffer. But I would never hold anything overnight that has 3 to 5 days to expiration. That's wildly risky. Maintenance. Well, I'll tell you what my deal was on the car. I had a brand new Mercedes GLB. All of the maintenance was covered. All of the dings were covered, and my monthly payment, I think, $740. Every other car with my specs, the monthly payments were like $900. Just because I gave them a car that was worth a bunch, and I basically had to lose all that money too. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is. Yeah, that car was nice. I drove that thing all the way down to Ocean City, Maryland, and got like $400 worth of tolls. Dude, that was the most. See, I've spent money on dumb shit before. Um, and I do sometimes like I do it a lot. It's fun. I like to have a good time. But the dumbest purchase is those fucking tolls. It was a $1 toll that I had to pay $80 for. Fuck. I hate New Jersey. I hate Delaware. Maryland, fuck off. All of that nonsense. I'm flying a plane next time. I don't care. I'm not driving. Or I need an easy pass. But I'm probably too lazy to go get one. So, bullshit, bro. Bunch of new highs on Tesla. Yeah, this thing's a monster today. Sucks up there. Yeah, I hate all of it. It's bullshit, bro. What's worse, owning an expensive car or options time decay? Time decay, bro. The car's fine. My Mercedes wasn't even expensive, bro. Like, the car was not expensive. I should have just bought it. Like, I should have just, like, literally just wrote him a check and bought the car. I would have made money on it versus losing, like, 20 grand. It's bullshit. Well, live and learn. All right, so let's see what we're going to get here. Don't have any of those problems this year. I just substituted it out with a wildly expensive gym membership for no reason. It's just close. I don't have to walk. Well, I do have to walk. Car lose value as soon as you drive it off the lot. Okay, true. But that's also like saying don't make more money because you'll pay more in taxes. Like, yeah, obviously. But just don't be an asshole and buy a car that's like outside your means. You know? If you want to know how much it costs to own or how much you need to make to buy a Bugatti too, I have that on my Instagram. Go make sure you guys are following me on Instagram too. Short the Vix one. You guys really liked that video yesterday. That was a fun one. Spy making some movement here. Oh, dude. This thigh gap indicator is so fucking filthy. I can't even describe what you guys have at your fingertips right now. Again, remember, reach out to Diana before the end of the day, and you guys are good. Matt, oh dude, fuck AMC and Ape. That thing's it literally after they brought out Ape, it was a fucking scam. And I made a bunch of videos saying that this thing was about to go into the shitter, and then people didn't listen. And then they come into my live stream and are like, fuck you. And I'm like, you should be thanking me, asshole. Show it. Show what? The thigh gap indicator? I've shown you guys before. You guys know what it is. You thought that was a cool way to get people's attention on Reels? Yeah, dude, wasn't it? That was a good one. Oh, I have another one. Oh, I have another one. I have another way to do it. Yeah, that was a good one. I have another one on how to do it today. I just got to make it. It's going to be a nasty one. Tor, the funny thing is, L. Gene, congratulations, up 10% on the day. There you go. I mean, yeah, what do you guys expect out of the 1348 gang at this point? We fucking print like no other. So here is the link, guys. In order for you guys to get over 90% off your first month in the platform, just use code Print City, and it literally costs you $5 to hop in for your first month. So don't get left behind. That's a limited time offer. Make sure you guys are hopping in before it's too late. Those will keep working well for sure. Yeah, I've got a good one. The other thing that I was gonna say is TikTok, the Matrix is real. I literally posted the TikTok that is perfectly fine on Instagram. It has like tens of thousands of views. And immediately when I posted it on TikTok, they go community guidelines violation. Hateful ideology is what they said. And I was like, listen up, assholes. I literally just posted a video where in the beginning of it, it's the clip of Tate saying, "What color is your Bugatti?" And then it's me talking about how much you need to make a year in a month in order to afford a Bugatti. How the fuck is that hateful? They're discriminating against me. It's bullshit. But I've got a nasty one for today that they can't take down. Yeah, I was like, that would have been a fucking banger on TikTok, dude. And they were like, yeah, sorry. And I'm like, a lot of haters out there. Yeah, man. It gets banned really quick. Not on Instagram. They let my shit fly. They let it go because they understand that I was talking about money. All right, let's see. I mean, Spy coming up into this little zone here that you've rejected twice already. So, I mean, if you're in calls, I mean, it's not the worst idea in the world to scale up, but do whatever the fuck you want with your money. This thing could rip to 400 for all the fuck I know. I don't know. You asked the question. You're not allowed to ask questions. Get in line. I didn't even, what do you call it? I didn't even fucking ask a question. You guys are the only YouTubers that care about retail at all from what I've seen. Yeah, it's true. I mean, we are the only ones that actually are trying to help you guys. All these other people are like, well, maybe, and feeding into your confirmation bias and feeding you bullshit. So those of you guys that aren't here, it sucks to be them. What color? I didn't even ask the color. But yeah, Big City, we are. And we're going to keep doing what we're doing over here, helping retail investors print money in the market every single day. They don't want us making money. Too bad. Dude, imagine how stupid all those people on Twitter feel when they were talking all that nonsense towards what we were doing over here, and now they're really, really broke, and then all of the people that came into 1348 are having an amazing time in the market. Yeah, I know I was. Brian, the reason for that is I have a clip. So what I want to do is, does anybody have a clip? Oh, this would be interesting. If you guys could help me out with this, I would love you guys forever. Okay, I need the clip of Powell at one of the, remember when he was talking to like the government like last week or something? And it's like a couple days before the banking situation just went all fucking haywire. There's a clip of him saying that he's very, very confident in the banking system. And then what I was going to do is cut to another clip where it's like all the articles about Silicon Valley Bank getting fucking murdered. And then just be like, yeah, in the Senate hearings. Exactly. I just need to find the clip. I don't have it. And then I'm just going to cut to the other one to be like, that was one of the ones I got to do. I got to make that at some point. The one I posted on Twitter yesterday was fucking hilarious. I didn't make that one, but I saw that and I was like, that's awesome. With like, it was like SVB, FTX, Gap Year, WeWork, Enron. It's like, that's a resume and a half, dude. But yeah, if anybody finds that clip of Powell saying that, if you could send it to me, I'd love you forever. Already put that one up. Darn. Because I was listening to the All In podcast the other day, and I was like, he actually said that, didn't he? Tesla. And Nas, why are you even following that? Do you want 150K stolen from you? Oh, you guys have no idea what I know here. Oh my God. Get ready. I'm about to cause fucking trouble. Oh, you guys got no idea the amount of trouble that I am going to cause this year. Oh, if you guys didn't know by now, you guys are going to find out. It begins with an F and ends with Rod. Get ready. There's also a wire in there too. I'm going to be causing trouble. Let's see. SPY moving up. It's right in. Yeah, it's coming up to that level there. The even dollar mark on Tesla again? Where is it? What, the 197? Let's see. Is that where you're at? Is that what you're talking about? I mean, it flashed it. It didn't hold, though. If the SPY moves, it could go. Please explain SCV. Oh, Nas, I don't even have to. I'll just share the video of what happened over here. There you go. Watch this. It explains the whole situation. There you go. Any idea how far? Oh, no, Tor, I have no idea. I was going to look for a transcript and then kind of map out a time on it. And then I was like, I made the video yesterday instead, quick. Yeah, Nas, go watch that video. Go. You wanna go see? All right, go watch that. Tesla's killing it, dude. Tesla's on a mission here. It's trying to break 197. Let's see. You think AMD is gonna rip? I had it up here for a second. I mean, you break that 200 EMA on the 3-minute, it could get interesting. Where's the 5-minute one? It's probably right here too. Yeah, 96.23. Yeah, if it breaks there, you can see it run a little. You've been in Tesla calls all day. Next Friday expiration, but taking small Friday puts. Oh yeah, there you go. I mean, we hit that other one. I was looking at it more towards feeding into the 3-minute traffic light, which I nailed that, but we'll see. All right. I mean, Ralph, you're probably murdering it on those Tesla calls. You have Fed tomorrow. Careful, buddy. Careful, dude. You're playing with fire. Ooh, hold on. What's SPY doing here? Oh no, it's still chilling. But that's the little level there that you're coming into where yeah, it's starting to sell a little bit here. Let's see if it can hold and break back up. If it can break 397.50, yeah, you might be off to the races here, but it doesn't look like that's the case. Am I still on the cutlets? Dude, I haven't had those in like a year. I haven't had those in so long. Yeah, here comes SPY. You'll be completely liquid at the end of the day. I think that's a smart move. Let's see. Retest of that 3-minute 13 here. Let's see. Got to get back on them? No, I'm good. No, I'm all right. I don't need those. They were good. They were pretty good for a while. But that was also when I was streaming all day and I needed like something quick, which, dude, streaming all day is the worst thing in the world. It sucks so much. Like, you literally feel like a moron at the end of the day because your brain just no longer works. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, you got a nice little trade here on this. I mean, it just looks like scalp city, really. I don't expect much craziness to happen tomorrow morning either. So, I mean, we'll see what happens going into Powell. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, I'm a little surprised that we're seeing everything so calm before tomorrow and it's not whipsawing around like crazy. But again, who knows? Let's see. Yeah, and welcome to all you new 3 years that are coming in over the last week or so. Shout out to you guys again. For all of you guys that do want to upgrade to get the gap indicator, Gabe's private morning streams with all you guys, my midweek master classes, the live master classes on Sundays. Make sure you guys reach out to Diana before the end of the day in order to make sure that you secure that. Remember, at the end of next week, the prices of that tier are drastically increasing. So we're giving you guys a little bit of time here to hop in. Before that price increase happens. Right now, it's the best bang for your buck tier that we offer. Don't miss out. Don't miss out. A lot of uncertainty tomorrow. You think you dump end of the day? Stop that. It doesn't matter. You're going to have Powell tomorrow. It could go either way. Please don't trade off of your own bias. That's never trade based off what the chart tells you. There's no reason to try and front run the move. Closing your Beto and coin costs from the banking crisis times. It's going to be a sad moment today. Up hundreds of percent on both. That's not a sad moment. Tessie broke that 197 and just screaming up here, bro. Tesla is fun. I got caught in a Tesla candle yesterday, which kind of sucked, but other than that, Tesla's really fun. Like, you can catch big ass moves on Tesla. Heading out. Peace. Tor. Later, buddy. Let's see. Still waiting on the SBNY puts that you had to exercise. Wait. I thought they gave you the shares. I thought they gave you the short on it, Wreck-It Ralph. I thought they just gave it to you. Or does it have to open in order for you to do anything? Because I haven't really been paying attention to those. Let's see. Why aren't you using the new chart? Oh, I am. It's just not on the screen here. It's over here. I'm not going to show all the free people the chart. Like the people that aren't in 1348, the new chart. You guys have seen it. It's fucking nasty. I'm looking at it right now. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tabs open with the new chart. Let's see. I love the new chart. The new chart's wild. I made every single trade that I took today based on the new chart. They did. I need a new share price to take advantage of the gains. They're now holding 24K in that account now. Oh, Jesus, bro. That's pretty nuts. That's pretty disgusting that they've done that to you. All right. SPY's trying to get up here. If it breaks 397.50, you might run a little bit up there to the highs. I mean, you do have this here too. 398. But this range has been so fucking tight today, bro. Yeah, tomorrow night's midweek masterclass is going to be fire, guys. I hope you guys are ready for this. It's going to be nasty. because there's a couple of things that we haven't covered yet. We're gonna reiterate them on Sunday with everybody in the actual masterclass. But dude, this new indicator is like we just keep making it easier for everybody to print. So here comes SPY trying to get up there right now. Let's see if it can do it. Nike earnings after hour? Yeah, cool. I don't really care. I'm not gonna play it. I think I played Nike after their last earnings. I think. Because that was when I was in Florida. I was trading Nike and they wouldn't move. Mikey, are you talking about the 200? Because if AMD breaks that, oh, it's VWAP. What's VWAP at, Wreck-It Ralph? Yeah, you're trying to break this 5-minute 200 here, which is sweet. Yeah, it is. What's VWAP at though? Because if VWAP's above the 200, it could just come up there, pop, die if the SPY comes right back down. You're also dependent on the SPY breaking this level here. You've already gotten a nice move off this 3-minute traffic light here. Nice little almost $1. I mean, not really. It's like what, 60 cents of movement. That's not bad. 96.25. Oh, you're above it here. You got 3 minutes left on this candle. If it closes above there, you could be off to the races. Yeah, broke VWAP. Yeah. Oh, Nico, you like that one? All right, guys. Yeah, as you guys are filtering in too, make sure you guys are hitting that like button on your way in. Ooh, let me get the QR code back up here for you guys so that you all have your limited time access. Remember, limited time deal, 90% off your first month to the platform. You can come in for just $5. There you guys go. QR code is on the screen. Don't get left behind. Tesla's wild. Yeah, it is. Damn SUV, I had no idea. I told you, Nas. That's why I'm like, hey, you probably don't be wanting to listen to these people. They're fucking losers. Yeah, dude. Isn't that nuts? They're all fucking snakes, bro. They're all snakes. Oh, nice, Nico. Why do you like VWAP on TradingView? It's wonky. It's not the same prices as the Webull one. How do you know when the time frames are ending? Oh, there's a countdown right here. I mean, also, if I'm on the 3-minute, I know it's like 3-minute candles. But the 5 minutes are easy. I mean, but you also have a countdown here on TradingView. Oh yeah, I haven't seen Arvind in a bit. Maybe it's like exam season or something for Arvind. Can you do that for Webull? I think you can now. I think Webull has the countdown thing now. I don't know though. I don't update apps. I don't update my phone. I still have like an iPhone fucking 11 or 10. I don't know. I do actually have two phones. I have this one that's a 13 Pro, I think. And then I have this one that's my old phone. So, oh, here comes SPY breaking through. AMD starting to get there as well. Let's see. Yeah, Webull did just add the countdown. That's interesting. Yeah, AMD on the 5 minutes getting a little hot here. I mean, if it closes above VWAP here in this next, how long is it? 30 seconds? Yeah, I mean, you might be off to the races here. It is cooking, though. Your kids get your old phones? I didn't have an iPhone until, I think, my sophomore year, high school, junior year, sophomore, junior year. But I think it was my second sophomore year. I did 2 of them. You got that burner phone? You know he's a pro? See, that's not what it's for, but I always have to see my whole setup here really makes like it's really fucked up. The pearls and the jackets that I have, that's not good. But as soon as they see the 2 phones, they're like, "Why do you have 2 phones? Whose phone is that?" I'm like, "It's mine." They're like, "There's no way it's your." I'm like, "Yeah, I have 2 phones." They're like, "Why?" And I'm like, well, I needed to do this and I needed basically a camera to take around. And I was like, well, I kind of need a new phone anyway. So then I just got this one to basically take pictures. And it just sounds like an unbelievable story. Like it's like, it just doesn't sound believable. So then they're just like, you're a hoe. And I'm like, that's true, but the phone is not the reason that tipped you off. Yeah, make sure you guys are using code PRINCITY and you guys are going to be good to go. You bet the Galaxy Fold is nice for trading. I think Gabe had one for a bit. Those were pretty cool. My other phone is for Coke? Bro, I don't do blow. What am I, a fucking idiot? No. Why does everybody always think that I do cocaine? Why is that a joke? Why do you guys always think I do blow? The phone shouldn't have been the reason for them finding out. That's what I'm saying. Like, that's not like fair enough on the pearls and like the coats and shit. But like the phone, bro, the phone is what got you. Come on now. Because you do. I don't do blow, bro. I pee too fast. I'm efficient with my time. I don't go to the bathroom to do blow on the stream, bro. All right, guys. Keep smacking the like button on the way in. See what we get on these next couple minutes here. Rapid weight loss? Are you calling me fat now? What is this? Hold on. You just went from calling me a person who does blow to fat? That's not very nice. That's not very nice of you, AKS fishing. I'm skinny now? I'm not, though. Like, I'm just not. I don't know why you guys think I'm skinny. My random mouth movements? Guys, you can drug test me right now. I will not pop for Coke because I've never done blow and I will not do blow. You know why? Because I know I'll like it too much. That's why. Let's see. I lost weight? No, I didn't. What is this? Why are you, how do you, okay, how would you even know if I lost weight or not? You see my little picture at the bottom of the screen. That's literally just my head. I could be fat as shit right now and you would have no idea. You only do it when it's free? You should do it never. All right, you're right at this level here, the 397.31. Let's see. Chat James, you're going to make me bash my fucking face against the thing. I'm going to ask you this. When previously has the Fed done everything? And are they going to randomly change what they've done in the past for like the last billion years? No. It's not CPI. No, it's not 830. That's CPI, not the Fed meeting. When do they do the Fed meetings? Usually. Dude, I'm going to lose my mind. I swear to God, I'm not answering these questions tomorrow. I say this every fucking time we have a Fed meeting. It's the same time as every single time. It's the same. He only does crack when peer pressured at the golf course. I was 14 and I did not succumb to the peer pressure. You're on Coke? Then I don't want to talk to you anyway. Anyways, you're awesome, man. You're helping us all so much. Thanks. It's okay if you do. Most people try it at least once. That's fair. I'm a cocaine virgin, and I'm going to stay that way. I'm not letting any of you guys take that away from me. Help you? No. I'm asking you a question. When have they done the Fed meetings in the past? Answer, please. Or how about this? Use the Google. I swear to God, guys, tomorrow, I'm not answering. I'm going to get a billion of these questions. I'm not saying shit. Guys, the Fed meeting is at the same. No, it's not at 8:30. Why do you think it's at 8:30? It's also not at 3. What is wrong with you guys? Guys, the Fed, it's at the same time every time. 2 or 2:30. My bad. There you go. Perfect. Done. See how easy that is? It's the same time every single time. They don't move them around. And they're just like, surprise, rate hike. Imagine if that's what they did, guys. Because the way that you guys ask the questions all the time, that's how it seems. Because it's almost like you guys think that the Fed just does this. It's like all of a sudden, randomly, it's like, boom, surprise rate hike. And it's like, no, guys, it's the same time every single time. Ooh, 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 ooh. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Surprise. See, CPI at 8:30. Now you know. Now you don't have to ask again. I'm not answering this tomorrow. You guys need to somehow learn things on your own sometimes. The Fed's that comes out at 2 and the press conference is at 2:30. Every time. Never changes. It's at 8:30 for the Hawaiians. I don't give a shit about Hawaii time. I care about the people in Hawaii, but I don't give a shit about your time. It's at 2 and 2:30 Eastern. Oh, guys. You guys put a banner up tomorrow with the time? No. It's like 2 + 2. These are things you guys should know already. It's the same time every time. And if not, do you know what you do? You go to the damn economic calendar that I show you guys every day, and you just look right here. 2:30. It's like the text, here comes the SPY. Here we go. You broke that level there, the 397.50. Let's see if we get up to, first is going to be here, 398, and then 398.34. Red Bulls? I've only had 3 coffees today. I'm decaffeinated today. Come on, power hour. Yup, we're getting there. We got 2 minutes. Do we get 2 + 2 in the masterclass this week? No, because you guys should all know that shit too. Unless it's your first day in the stock market, you should know this. And if I've seen your name in here before and you ask me what time the fucking Fed meeting is tomorrow, I'm literally going to what should I do? I'm gonna Oedipus myself and just fucking gouge my eyes out. I'm so big. Let's see. TradingView has it on the platform with the side calendar. See you tomorrow, bro. Later, buddy. Later, dude. Feels like Groundhog Day every time. I'm going to start the stream tomorrow. I'm going to be like, guys, Fed speaks at 2. Actually, they don't. They speak at 2:30. The report comes out at 2. And then I'm going to be asked 100 billion times when the fucking Fed speak. Too much caffeine. Guys, I haven't had enough. I'm going to take a shitload of pre-workout after this so I can go to the gym and do some wild shit. Your grandpa died this weekend. Last thing he said to me was, I was younger. I feel like I need context for that, though. I feel like that's not like a normal thing that like somebody just says to somebody. Like if I just walked up to you and I said, I was younger, you'd be like, okay. But sorry to hear that, Wreck-It Ralph. All right, guys. It is 3 p.m. We are going to be wrapping it up for today. Remember, all you guys have T-minus 1 hour to reach out to Diana to upgrade to 3-year today. So make sure you guys do that. And I just threw the link in the live chat for you guys too, to make sure that you guys are all getting your first month to the platform for $5. Use code Prince City and you guys are going to be good to go. So team, I will see you guys tomorrow for Powell at 2 and 2:30 p.m. All right, guys. Wait, why'd you time out Eli? I'm going to see what Eli said. What did he say? Ankles? Why'd you time him out for ankle? That's not very nice. All right, guys. I'll see you guys later. Make sure you reach out to Diana for 3 year and get the thigh gap indicator and all the extra awesome streams that we do for you guys. But other than that, team, peace.